Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you get notified every time I post another cool video. Is this like just a park or is it like kind of like a shrine? I don't know, but it's so pretty. It's like, ah, okay, so it's a shrine. You want a picture? This is so pretty. This is so nice. Do you want to take steps or? What is this for? Ah. Okay. Okay. Now you feel clean. Yes. You're prepared. So we're trying to decide where we're gonna walk, up the hill or on the flat place. We don't know, we don't know. Or maybe they are. And I can't get them.
Video?
Yeah.
Just start.
Ooh, they're all coming for the food. Food. There's some here and there's some over there. Ooh! Oh yeah, they're so pretty. Wow. Okay, they're all coming literally from like every direction.
Actually,
Throw it all the way over there. Yeah, it is. So when you just come inside, they have this little area. They had the slippers, the inside slippers for you to put on because you know you can't wear your shoes inside. And you know, it's a small walkway. Yeah. It got extra blankets from the thing. Okay, so now we have this little table right here. It's a desk. You know, it's a little desk and it has a lot of things that you can use inside. I cannot open the drawer. Okay, so in the drawer we have like a LAN cable, so if you need to use your computer. We have napkins and we have a hair dryer and we have some notices inside. And what can we have a phone and we have some cups. We also have a small refrigerator. You know, it's empty because just came in, haven't gotten anything yet. There is this kettle thing for hot water. And we have in here, we have some tea, some coffee, and we have some cups. Now we have this huge TV right here. So there's this huge TV right here, which is perfect. I brought my Amazon Prime thing because I wanted to turn it into a smart TV while I'm here. So that is totally what I'm gonna do. And when you turn around, you have the bed. Now, like I said, this is one of those really small rooms. Yeah, see? You literally, you stay here and you can see everything. So here we have the bed and robes. And this you can use to control everything. So you can turn the alarm on, and for the lights, the different lights. And see how cute it is? Like this little nice accent lamp. Let me show you guys what outside looks like. We actually have a really nice view. It's a pretty nice view, and we have a mall. The mall is somewhere down there. I can't show you guys because I can't see it, but we have like a really nice mall, like huge mall nearby. So yeah, that's nice. And they left us this little origami thing. It's so nice, so pretty. Okay, so now let's take a look in the bathroom. Okay, so according to her, she is the god of driving, but the god of driving always has to get out of the car.
No, I'm God of parking, not the God of...
Ah, god of parking, right? Okay. Okay, god of parking. She always has to get out because she's so far away from the thing.
No, it's because my hands are too
Sure.
short.
Okay.
And the
Okay.
machine is too far.
Okay. So it's the machine's fault and your hand's fault.
It's fault, not mine. I'm always right.
Okay. Okay.
They say Mac.
Y'all, this girl just asked me, where is Matt Duck? I'm like, what is Matt Duck? Tell them what's Matt Duck.
McDonald's?
Like Donald Duck, Matt Duck.
Yeah, it's McDuck.
What are you doing? Oh, it's working. It's working. Okay. That's not your train. Oh, green light, green light. Go, go. It's moving. What should you do? You're driving. Yeah, read it. And what did it say? Y'all, she's driving a train and she doesn't know what to do. Why does that look like Toyama? Oh wait, is it Tokyo? It looks like Tokyo or Toyama. Did you just stop the train?
No.
Are you slowing down? Yeah, there's no English right here. But she can read Japanese, so it's okay. You're slowing down! Why is it? I don't know what's happening, y'all. You understand?
Yeah.
What?
This is a brake.
Uh-huh.
There is a speed.
Uh-huh.
So if I want to stop, I think I should use this one.
Mm-hmm.
And try.
Okay.
Oh, look, I'm speeding up.
Ah, okay.
Okay, now it's not. There's an edge. Yeah. Right?
Oh, that's cool. That is so cool.
So awesome.
Ah, yes. And they have different levels so that you don't slow down too fast. And so, ooh, that's cool. Very good driver. Clean your hands. Let's go. Safety first.
First. Okay.
Yeah. Look at that big clock. Huge house. And it's so loud. Like everything you do, like everywhere you walk, everybody can hear you move. Oh, this. Yes. Yes. Like, please do not go into the garden. Okay, so she's so happy that this time she doesn't have to get out.
No, this time. Several times yesterday too.
This is like the third time so far. She's always like, oh, no, watch me. I didn't have to get out. So, yay!
Yes.
But, look at her struggling.
No.
Look at her struggling. Okay, let's go. Ah! Yeah, look at her. Look at her. She has to open her door.